Hey guys, so this is like very quick video about the pros and cons of Roborock H60 Hub Ultra and what are the things to be aware of. So for hard fault cleaning, insane. Also self-emptying best station, that's good. Clever storage solution, solid build quality, comfortable handling. It's like you got many positive with it. Strong filtration, but what are you have to be aware of is not that amazing on carpets, okay? So this is something to be aware of. Also, on a max power, you got up to like 8 minutes on the highest settings. On eco mode, it's better, but on the highest settings, you don't have much, so be aware of it. You don't have automatic suction mode, you have to manually switch between the 3 power levels, so it's not automatic. And also another thing, it got limits on the flexibility. The floor head can swivel sideways, so you can get as flat under the furniture. So if you want to use it like beneath the furniture, it's not really possible. So just like be aware of it, okay? Now also not upgradable. So you can just like buy the hub separately. The dust container and tube are different. And also only third-party bags are available. So the original kind of like the bags are harder to find. So this is something to be also aware of. Quick to the point for you, not wasting your time. Hope this video provided you value, what you can actually like expect from it, primarily like if you have carpets, about the flexibility, also the shorter battery life and not upgradable, and also with the replacement bags. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.